Welcome to Monterey Park, California. Oh yeah, Monterey Park. This is a condo that they're selling, and the inspector needs this door to go back on. We gotta install some smoke carbon detectors, but the main thing they want is this to be strapped. A little shorty. Is that a 50-gallon electric shorty? Looks like it, huh? Nice. Some shark bites. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, dude. Shouldn't be too difficult, right? Okay, the lights aren't on. We're just gonna use the old hold rights. Okay, first step. We'll put one right here above this sucker. So it looks like there's a stud right there. Dang, that whole thing's lighting up. It says the whole wall's a stud. That's the stud right there. You can hear it. Maybe that is the whole thing. Dang. Dang. That's certainly, you can hear the hollowness there. All right. Yeah, that makes sense considering these access panels are right there. All right. Okay, those are in the studs. Now, I want to see how high we are. So, exactly 22 inches. And then, pretty much 44. So 22 and 44 on the other side. All right, so we got them on the other side, but what we're going to need to do is put some unistrut back here. Unistrut back here. So that may require a few things here. Okay, so no need for the unistrut. I thought I would need it because we just pushed it back all the way against the wall.
Right.
And this, I thought it would put a little stress on this, but it's fine.
Right. I mean, this is why these things fall off the wall all the time.
Yeah.
They're using the right screws and everything. It's just they're one-hit wonders. That's what I call them. When they go into drywall, you just kind of have to hope they can't unscrew it and screw it and unscrew it. You know, you go in one time, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
And if you even overscrew it, you'll start pulling it out one half.
That's it.